In this video, I'll show you how to install REFramework for Resident Evil Village to enable advanced mods, scripts, and gameplay tweaks in just a few steps. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input 8.dll inside of a game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, the default menu key is Insert key. Whenever you want to open this REFramework, press the Insert key in the keyboard, and you can change if you like. Expand this configuration. Select this menu key, and you can set whatever key you like. Go to camera. You can set this to even more brighter. Free cam. Set this to enable, and you can look around the places. You can lock the camera in a position. Explore these options on a web own. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.